In Memory Grid, you'll find matching pairs of sounds. Click on a card to hear the sound associated with that card.
Kiss.
Try to find the card with a matching sound.
Nut.
That sound did not match. Try another card.
Kiss.
That sound matches the first sound. Click on the first card again to complete the match.
Kiss.
When you click two cards in a row with the same sound, the cards are removed.
Nut. Nut.
Try to find the matching sounds with fewer clicks than shown here.
Pun. Sit. Pun. Pun. Sit. Sit.
As you improve, you'll match more sounds. To best challenge your auditory memory, you'll hear all the sounds before you find any matches.
Nag. Bash. Can.
The first three sounds were all different. This happens no matter which three cards are clicked.
Bash. Bash. Nag. Nag. Can. Can.
In later levels, the sounds will become more similar.
Name. Bake. Pate. Plake. Bake. Bake. Name. Name. Plake. Plake. Pate. Pate.
Happy brain training!